Dear self, hi, how are you today? I just want to remind you that you are loved. You are brave in being soft. Please take care of yourself. Self-care is important in maintaining a healthy relationship with yourself. Appreciate the little things. Take a long walk. Listen to music. Appreciate the nature. You are not selfish in wanting to do things on your own. Choose to build a life